control, freedom. Driving a luxury supercar is an amazing experience. However, there are times when repairs suddenly pop up, which can be a hassle and expensive. This is when you need a warranty package from WheelGuard. WheelGuard specializes in luxury and supercar warranty, distinctly designed for new, reconditioned, and pre-owned cars. We stand out from our competitors by providing a comprehensive coverage on repairs for luxury and supercars. We are the only warranty provider that ensures a car has been inspected to ascertain its condition. Thereafter, all you have to do is follow up with an effective scheduled maintenance program.
I love driving my Ferrari, but when there's a breakdown, repairs can be expensive. I'm fortunate that my WheelGuard warranty protects me from all these unexpected problems. If there's a problem with my car, I just send it over to their specialist service centers, and I know that my car will be well looked after. They have a very simple 3-step claim process. I drive my car in, they assess the claims, and they carry out the repairs. What sets WheelGuard's warranty apart? It's the guarantee of unlimited claims and the provision of new original parts. With these benefits, I am rest assured of quality service and huge savings. Another great advantage of WheelGuard's warranty is their in-house specialist service centers, where they have a team of specialist technicians to provide expertise and state-of-the-art diagnostics equipment to carry out maintenance and repair services. Once again, I can rest assured that my car is constantly cared for and is kept at peak condition. To cater for different needs and preferences, WheelGuard offers 3 auto repair warranty packages. Gold for 30,000 kilometers or 1 year. Platinum for 60,000 kilometers or 2 years. And Diamond for 90,000 kilometers or 3 years. The warranty package covers the following components: engine, transmission, electrical system, cooling system, body interior, fuel system, air conditioning, brake system, and drivetrain. For greater flexibility, WheelGuard's warranty can be transferred together with the car in the event of sale. This surely enhances the value of my car.
Leave all the hassle and worries behind. Take your drive to the next level. Only WheelGuard's warranty gives you an ownership experience like no other. Think WheelGuard. Think of the pleasure to drive with total peace of mind.